Good evening, everyone, especially to you, sir. Good evening. By the way, I am Sherilyn Biltanes Kitang from BT Dwarf 3D. So, our course description is this course explores the study of ocean in the interdisciplinary context, covering its physical, chemical, geological, and biological characteristics. Topics include seawater properties, ocean circulation, marine ecosystems, human impacts, and the role of the ocean in the climate system. The source integrates lectures, laboratory work, and field activities to develop scientific inquiry, problem solving, and environmental awareness. Of course, our objectives at the end of this mm, discussion, the student expect to explain the explain the scope, importance, and interdisciplinary nature of oceanography, analyze physical and chemical properties of seawater, interpret processes of ocean circulation, tides, and waves, identify and assess marine ecosystem and biodiversity, evaluate human impacts on the ocean and prom- propose solutions, integrate oceanographic knowledge and global sustainability efforts. So, the topic 1, Introduction of Oceanography. Definition, branches of importance. The outcome is explain the scope and significance of oceanography. Outcome based is lecture discussion multi. So, it focus on definition, branches, importance. Students learn what oceanography is study of oceans, biology, chemistry, geology, and physics. So, example here is a short lecture about why oceans are important for climate and life. So, ocean example output, a reflection paper answering why is oceanography important in understanding Earth's system. So the here in values integration is appreciation of science, environmental stewardship, caring for nature. So the topic 2, seawater properties. So uh, it focused on composition, salinity, temperature, density. Uh, Describe and measure seawater properties. So, oceans are made of salt water. Measuring these properties helps predict circulation, weather, and marine life survival. So, laboratory demonstration, data collection groups analysis. So, students measure salinity using a hydrometer or refractometer. The example is lab report on differences in seawater samples. The value and integration is accuracy, 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 and curiosity in handling scientific tools. Topic 3, Ocean Circulation and Dynamics. Focus waves, currents, tides, upwelling. Students study how water moves and how it affects climate and ecosystem. Example is simulation of tides using diagrams, group discussion on El Nino. So example output is group presentation with diagrams showing ocean currents. Currents. So the value here is um, team and patience. Since group experiment require coordination. A marine ecosystem. So focus on coral reefs, mangroves, deep sea. So the marine ecosystem provides food, oxygen, and coastal protection. Example activity is field trip or virtual tour. Coral reefs, mangroves, identifying a species. Example output, portfolio describing observed species and their ecological rules. So the team integration, team and patient in exploring the ecosystem. The five is human impacts on oceans. Focus on population, overfishing, climate change. Uh, Humans harm oceans through plastics, unsustainable fishing, and greenhouse gases. So example activity, case study on overfishing or oil spills. Group debate on solution. So example output is written observation. Proposal. How can our community reduce plastic waste? So the value integration is environmental responsibility. The last one is ocean and global climate. Focus on oceanography in climate system sustainability. So ocean regulate Earth's climate. Ocean studies help fight climate change. Example is the capstone project. Students propose a sustainability plan, integration, oceanography, knowledge, renewable energy, marine, and protected areas. Example output is a final project report plus oral defense. So the value integration, global citizenship, students apply learning to real world sustainability. So in overview or summary, this course mixes science skills, measuring, analyzing, and values teamwork, stewardships, global responsibility to prepare students to understand and protect the oceans. And that's all.